If you are here, then you already have seen multiple football anime videos and might be wondering how to create such videos, and most importantly, for free, as majority of them are created using Higgsfield, and it requires subscription. Hence, in this video, I will show you how to create such videos for free. Without wasting much time, let's start first. We will search for Cristiano Ronaldo pics in the Google and take the photo whichever we like and save it. We'll perform the same for Messi, search the best photo, and save it in our computer. As you can see, I am taking this photo of Cristiano Ronaldo and saving it. Now we will go to ChatGPT, upload the photos, and enter a prompt to provide the character sheet in anime style. We'll do the same for Messi as well. In this video, I will create just one sample so that you can make it yourself as per your wish. For detailed prompt, you can comment prompt and I will reply to your comment. Wow! As you can, we got our character sheet and this looks amazing. We will now save it to our system. We will now repeat the process, same from Messi, and save the character sheet as we did before. Now, as this task is going on, I would request you all to please like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel. Your support motivates me to create videos related to AI so that you don't miss any AI updates. Now we will go to Quen Studio, log in with your ID, upload the character sheet we saved previously. Here I will create intro of my character in anime style. I provided prompt as you can see in the video and wait for final result. Here's our sample final result. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more such videos. We will see you on next video.